If your backup camera suddenly goes black, freezes, or shows a blurry image, don't panic. Most of the time, it's not a major failure, it's just a small software glitch or temporary electrical issue. A properly working backup camera should give you a clear, wide angle, high definition view the moment you shift into reverse. So before spending money at a workshop, try these simple reset methods that fix most problems within minutes. Important steps. 1. Turn your car completely off, wait 30 to 60 seconds, then restart the engine to perform a soft reset. 2. Go into your infotainment settings and select Factory Reset or Restore Defaults to clear software glitches. 3. Locate the backup camera fuse in the fuse box, remove it for about 10 minutes, then reinstall it and restart the car. 4. Clean the camera lens gently with a microfiber cloth to remove dirt, water spots, or debris. 5. Check for loose wiring or visible damage around the camera unit. 6. If the issue still continues, consult a professional technician for advanced diagnostics.